Hello, and welcome to my channel. I am so excited for you and for me. I guess that was a stumble, but I have a box with a plant inside of it. I have never ordered a plant online, so this is a first for me. And to make it even more exciting, it was from a vendor called Ruby Plants. And the significance of that is that I have two pups, and one of them is named Ruby. So yay! Put the knife down. But also there's a plant in here that I have been hoping and looking to get for centuries. It's super popular now for some reason, probably because it looks very cool. But in any case, I was hunting high and low trying to find a plant propagation version of this sucker that was not like $50 or more. So luckily when I got this it was $20, so let's hope it is good. I'm gonna use a knife instead because scissors are not working. Go away. Boom, there we go. Magic, sort of. I guess that would be more like fencing skills than magic sorcery skills. So let's see. Interesting. There's a paper and it looks to be my receipt. My gosh, go figure. Go figure there's a receipt. Some little air pockets. That's how it's packaged. Ooh, hoo, hoo. And inside is the bubble wrap. This looks pretty large. I hope this is not like one of those things where it's like it looks big and then you open it and you're like, ooh, that's disappointing. But bubble wrap, I'll have to hide that from my other pup, Indy, because he will be terrified when it pops. Okay, so I'm trying to open it. It is a baby, but he's like a tall baby. So it looks really nice actually. It looks pretty healthy. It's just kind of like a little soil ball, so we just need to plant him in, but that has a lot of shoots actually. I'm pretty pleasantly surprised. I've only seen one of these one other time in person, and it was about the size of this, honestly. So what is that? It's like a little fuzzy hair. Okay. But yeah, so this is so cool. So these guys, it has the shoot up here down in the center that kind of goes straight up, and then these guys are like little UFO-y pancakes, and they kind of just shoot out. They have these beautiful circular little leaves that are nice and limey colored with that little dot in the center. Well, that's not really the center, that's more like the upper top half, but oh man, I am so pumped. The leaves look in pretty good condition. The only ones that seem to have an issue would be maybe this little guy right here. He has a little nick in him, but that's decently minor. And then there's some blackening of the leaves on this one right here. I don't know if you can even see that, but it's pretty minor. Overall, I'm pretty happy with it. It looks like it was packaged well, and it looks like it traveled pretty A-okay. It got here faster than I even expected it to. I ordered it maybe about 2 days ago. Not yesterday, but the day before. I think that counts. So it was 1 day shipping, I suppose, and the entire order came out to be around, I think, $21 because I was able to find a promo code that knocked it down a notch. Otherwise, it would have been, I think, about like $27 or $25. So still around that range, and I am so excited. Gonna pop this little puppy in some soil in a cute little pot. Ooh, I hope I have one for him, but in any case, yay! So it came out really good, and I hope you guys, if you're looking for one, check out Ruby Plants. They did a pretty dang good job. There's even another sprout coming in the center for a new leaf. So hooray, the Pilia is officially mine, or Pilia peperomioideosa, peppermiatus? Peppermio. The UFO plant, the pancake plant, that one. It's here, and it's adding into my little collection. Yay! I'm gonna repot it now, just for kicks and giggles. This is what I ended up choosing. It's technically, I think, a cup or like a little tea mug, but I drilled a hole in the bottom of it. Hopefully that is large enough. We will find out, huh? But I thought it would go nice in here because oftentimes the stem is kind of like this nice reddish color, and it has this kind of golden rim, and you know what? It felt right. So I have this extra soil that I keep in this tiny little pot for right now. Just inside the house, just for impromptu moments like this where it's raining outside, but I still want to get some things done, like in the outside world. So this is like my emergency mud pot for days like today. So I just want to get him nice and centered in there, and if you want to come close and see all the fun action, you can see the soil. I'm just gonna try and wing it around here, and this is kind of like a mix of some perlite, some rocks, and some peat moss, just to kind of make sure that it's well draining soil for this little guy. And I forgot to mention it, I don't know if I did or not, but the soil that was wrapped around this pilia was very moist, so that is good. It didn't come all dried out. It seems like it had a pretty happy life, and it's going to continue to have a happy little life here, and I think I'm pretty okay with this. I don't want to overdo it on the soil, so I think right here we have the little happy friend. We're going to see how he adjusts to his environment here and find him a nice little spot among the other plants.